Yo, what's up guys? Victor Chao back here, your favorite nutritionist, giving you all healthy meals. And today I'm gonna introduce you all a healthy soup. It's called ginseng chicken soup. And then last but not the least, must use our Khind pressure cooker. The normal Victor Chao is back here, and today I'm gonna introduce you all a very super low in calories but also super healthy soup. It's called ginseng chicken soup. First of all, definitely you need one whole chicken, ginseng as well, mushrooms, goji berries, and also red dates. So these two ingredients I'll use it from Central Market, super high in antioxidants, and not to mention very good for your skin and also eye health. And last but not the least, our pressure cooker, my favorite. Let's start with the chicken, right? Okay, so first of all, you need to clean your chicken just like your mama told you to. Sorry, continue on. Okay, the next thing, you need to put your this ginseng. Now, my mom also says you need to carefully put a. Okay, so after that, you can also add in the red dates into your chicken. Add as many as you like, because I like it more sweeter taste, so I'll add in more. That's about it. And press it. Use your biceps up. Press it. Make it everything full, and then put into the pressure cooker. So off you go. Mushrooms, don't forget them. Goji berries, now depend how many you need it, but I think as a nutritionist always want more nutritious things. Let's put everything up. And then water. A soup cannot be a soup without water, right? Pour it all until it covers the whole chicken. That's about it. And then close it, right?
Salt and sugar.
Oh, sorry, I forgot my salt and sugar. Now, why I always forgot my salt and sugar is because nutritionists always want to eat healthy, so definitely I'll just put a little bit a little bit of the salt. I don't like salty foods, to be honest. Just put a little Okay, I think that's about it. Now, it's really ready. Close your pressure cooker and set it into slow cook setting.
2 hours later.
Yo guys, so we're back with our ginseng chicken soup, and then it is ready. As usual, you should open it. So just let it release off. Okay, so now the pressure is already fully released. Let us review our ginseng chicken soup. Woo! And how soft is this chicken? Let me prove it to you all guys. Oh, so soft and tender. Yeah, that's the chicken you all been waiting for. Can't wait to taste it already. Okay, so let us serve it in this pot. And now, careful guys, careful to take this chicken. Don't make it break halfway, just like how you sayang your girlfriend. So tips for you guys out there, if you want to have your girlfriend love you, you must love them gently also. So here you go, chicken. And another half. Woo, very hot and very lovely. Voila! And of course, don't forget the precious soap that you have here. Just like how you see in YouTube videos here. I love it. I really love it. So you can see guys, this one it's not clear soup, It's very dark in color, full of flavors from the mushrooms, from the Gojis, from the chicken, and of course from the ginseng. So that's pretty much about how the soup is. Voila! So here you go, guys and girls. Healthy ginseng chicken soup. Very lovely, very hearty. Let us give this soup a try. So here comes the most historical moment of the year. You know what, guys? This tastes just like love, family, and peace. So there you have it, guys. I hope you all like this recipe very much. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to give us a like, share, and comment down below what types of other soups you would like us to try in the future. So the person with the best comments will win away a Khind pressure cooker exclusively for you guys. So all the best for you guys, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.